Unfortunately, there's a lot of construction going on around my hotel, so I hope the audio comes out alright. But yeah, I just flew my drone. We're in Sanur, and unfortunately there's not much to film. So I'm gonna go down later today to the beach to film the ocean, the promenade. Unfortunately, there's not much to film with the drone, so I'm gonna have to find some stuff with this baby. There's gonna be less drone footage, which sucks, because I think all of you know that it's a passion of mine. I guess we'll see how this video comes out. Kinda sucks. But yeah, let's switch to whatever kind of footage I have next. Hope you enjoyed that cool time lapse. I can't count.
You're stupid.
The number of times I've been beeped by a taxi or asked for a taxi. Taxi, yes. Pretty cool time lapse, isn't it? So this is a pretty cool place. We're at a place called Hardy's, which is a department store in Sanur. It's on the main street that runs parallel to the beach, and it's the first big department store I've seen in Bali. Pretty sweet, good place to go buy souvenirs if you're ever in Sanur. Pretty cheap as well, but as far as prices in Bali go, it's not the cheapest. But yeah, playing some pretty wavy music, so I'm enjoying that. And yeah, cool.
See the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that I live